Hi, lovely people. How are you? How is your day going? Leave me a comment down below. Let me know. So, if you read from the title, I am doing the March 2019 SlayGlamBox. This is a $24 a month subscription. Last month was their first subscription that they had. But before I begin, I have to talk about a few things because I've been getting a lot of emails, a lot of messages on Instagram of the company. Now, this is, like I said, a brand new company, and I know a few people had made some videos, and they had some things to say, and then, you know, certain just comments were going back and forth. I really don't want to. I have to say something about it because you guys know I know about it because so many of you have commented to me. And I do want to say that I have never had a problem with the owner. The owner has been very kind to me, and I didn't have a problem with the box last month. There was a couple of people that had broken, or was one person had broken pallets. One of them, you know, just had problems with the pallets. Mine was fine. I didn't open it up on camera because I wanted to give it away. But when all the problems were happening, I did open it up and it was perfectly fine. So I don't have anything bad to say because I personally haven't had any bad interactions with the owner. She's always, like I said, been so kind to me. But I do want to bring up that because I know a lot of you guys were asking me my opinion on this subscription, whether or not you should cancel or not. So let's open it up and just see what the box is like, and we can move forward with that. Okay, I've been having like itches on my nose. All right. So this is what it looks like, and I have to say the packaging is so unique and pretty. So it says SlayGlamBox, and it looks like a little pocketbook. I mean, we can't deny this packaging is different, and I like that it's outside the box. I feel like my cat was in here, and she's a white fluffy cat, and anyway, all right. So let's open her up. You can see I have not opened it yet. Let's cut it up and see what's in here. All right, so, oh, you get quite a few things in there. All right, here is a card. If I can feel for the card. All right, so here's the card right there. It says SlayGlamBox. Thank you for subscribing. And then on the back here has, you know, what everything is and the prices. And I like the fact that it's handwritten. It brings a special touch to it. All right. So let's see, it's packed in here. I'm trying to, all right, so the first thing we have is this. What is this? This is from Mirabella. All right. Right there. All right, okay, so this is an eyeshadow palette. If I can get it open. Okay. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, let me put it here so I don't blind you with the mirror. All right, so that's what it looks like right there. It is really, really pretty, if you can see. Let's do some swatches. I have tried Mirabella, the single eyeshadows, but I've never tried anything in the palettes. So let's see. These definitely give you some kickback. But that doesn't mean anything because it just because it gives you kickback or it's not as pigmented, because this is not pigmented really that much right there. It's not really pigmented, but let's see if you can build it up. Let's do the purple right there, and I'm going to see if I can build it up. So it does build up a little bit, but they're not very pigmented. Okay, let's do the last two swatches right there. Yeah, this isn't that pigmented, but it's still pretty. And like I said, it might be different on the eye. And then if you wet your brush as well, it probably will deepen that up. So there we go. It doesn't have the price on here, but I remember, because I remember this was a spoiler now that I'm thinking of it. And I think it says it was $50. I personally wouldn't pay $50 for this, me personally. But it's in the subscription box. That's $24. So, I mean, that's good. You know, I get to try it. All right, the next thing is, oh, this thing's falling out. Boy, this thing is really, sorry about that, guys. Packed really good. Oh my gosh, I'm dropping stuff. Okay. All right, the next thing is this Glam Glow Bubble Sheet Mask right there. We got this in another subscription before and I tried it and I did like it. All right, then we have this Blush Me Cheeky Palette. And what is this by? Let's see. Let's see what it says. Eyeshadow, let's see, eyeliner. Oh, J-Cat Beauty. Okay. How the heck do you open this thing? Oh, open it from the wrong end, Anne. After I made some videos already, and then after this, I'm taking my son to go to the mall to go shopping. He's patiently waiting on me. All right, so there we go. Oh, that's pretty. This reminds me of the NYX palette that I received one month. This is really pretty. All right, so that's what it looks like, guys. So pretty. Ooh, that is pretty right there. I'm not going to swatch this because I have other blushes like this, and I may put this in a giveaway. Let me just put that down. Is there anything else in here? Let me get everything out. All right. I'm looking. One of these things I know, I forget what she told me. One of the things on here is if you were the first 24 people to sign up, you got a free gift every month. So I'm not sure which one it was, so I'll leave it down in the description box which one that you would not get in your bag. All right, so this right here. Oh, okay, so this is like a lip gloss. Now, one thing I like about this subscription, you get to pick sometimes certain things out, and I remember we got to pick out which, if you wanted a matte lipstick, a lip gloss, what color. So I picked out this one, and this is, where you be? Arasha B Cosmetics right there. I guess the lip gloss. And this is in the shade Skinny Dip right there. Okay. So let's do a little swatch. Oh, that's pretty. I like to wear these over a matte lipstick right there, if you guys can see. That is really, really pretty. Let's put it on my lips. Let's see. See? Oh, and it smells so good. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, I like that. All right, two more things. Then we have, what is this? What you be? A powder brush right here. So it says here, brush variation. Ooh. Okay, so we have this. So it comes like this. Oh, that's so cute. Right there. Okay. I don't know if this is broke. I think it broke. It's supposed to go like this and hold in place, but that's okay because I can glue this down and then you would just use it like that. I think. I don't know, but it is broke, so I'll play around with that later. And last but not least is this Luna by Lunar setting powder. I have used this before and it's okay. It's not like my favorite, but it's definitely okay. And this has some, let's see. So this is translucent powder. Okay. Yeah, so there's the safety seal is on there. It's just probably from traveling and stuff, you know. So there we go. So that's everything that we got. So what do you think? So we got the powder. All right. We got the lip gloss. This is probably my favorite thing. You get a variation of the brush. You get eyeshadow palette that it's $50, but I wouldn't pay $50, but it's in the bag. So for $24, you get all this stuff. I'm not hating on it, but I'll definitely try it out. You know, don't go by swatches, you know. And then we have this, oh, there's one more thing in here. And then we have this sheet mask, and I didn't see this. So this is a Sourmet white eyeliner right there. And I'm not going to open this as well. You know what? Yeah, let me open it and see. Let's see. What are you doing? There's my daughter. Oh, my dog's probably up to something. Sorry if you heard that. She is home for spring break for college. Today's Saturday when I'm recording, and we bring her back tomorrow, back to school. All right, so there we go. All right, so it is a sharpener. You have to sharpen it. It's not a sharpener. You have to sharpen this. It's a wooden one. And it's just a white eyeliner. And what these are used for, you can use them for a few things. To put it on your waterline, to brighten up your eye, to make you look more awake. You can also put it anyway, you know, use it as a base for your eyeshadow if you want to make you know, a little bit more pigmented. I don't know why I can't talk today. I have no idea. But anyway, that is everything in this month's bag. Let me know what you think of this bag. Do you think it's worth the $24? I mean, I think it is. This came broken, but it happens. I'll definitely contact the owner on that. I really, really like this lip gloss a lot. I'm going to have to look into that brand. Yeah, and that's everything, guys. Please like this video because it does help me out a whole lot. I'm so close to 30,000, so if we get to 30,000, we're going to have a big giveaway. Comment down below and let me know what you think. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.